Hey guys, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams. I'm here to do another project share. So yeah, let's move this out of the way. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell because I'm making a video. So this is an Anna Griffin lovely spinner card making kit. And it is so simple to put together that I'm not even making a tutorial. The only thing I would tell you is to keep that string as tight as you can, even if you pull it tight when you glue it down, and trim off the excess that's sticking out. And don't play with the string because it will lose its tightness and get a little wobbly. So, so I made this 8x8 gift box with feet and the little tie. And let's see, I have a second one here. And so if I can make this, anyone can make this. And look guys, at Hobby Lobby they have Anna Griffin paper that we all can use to match our supplies and everything. So let's look at this. So it opens up like this. This is where I keep my pens and stamps, and here is the cards I wanted to show you. So I'm going to gift these out, so I am keeping the inserts where they can choose whatever insert they want to do to put inside it, or leave it blank and save these for another day. So that is staying there. Okay, so here are the spinner cards. Are they not so cute? And you only have the outside circle to put in. You don't do the inside, so there's a double. And so this is what it looks like. And you can add, like I said, one of the sentiment card inserts, but I'm going to let her choose which one she wants, or just write something and save that for another day. So here is the first card. It's three-dimensional. Here is the second card. And of course, if I wound this up really tight, let me show you. See how tight? But if you keep playing with it, that string loses its tightness. So okay, when they open it up out of the card, it's going to spin like that. But I don't want to play with it because I want it for them. So here's this one. The only thing I would tell you also is to keep the string as tight as you get, and when you glue it down, take your time and hold this piece and then lay it flat. I'll just go over it real quick when the video's done to make sure. So here is the second one, and this is only glued in the middle here so that it has movement, and this is pop dotted. Here's another one, and see, it matches the little thing matches on both sides. And then here's another one. I love this pattern. Oh, the green and pink together is so pretty. You see all the layers? So let's make a card. Let's make a box. Let's gift them out. Look at that. Isn't that nice? So let me go over this real fast to make sure I just tell you one thing. So when you're making the card, and it comes like this, and I think people could make these themselves, is when you peel back this and you put the string right here very tight, and then if there's extra because you pulled it so tight, then trim that string off. But when this is all peeled back because it's adhesive, you peel that back and it says place the string there. What I do is I hold this up, and then I push and I push and I push, and then I finally, that way all the air escapes through that. That's the only thing I need to tell you on how to make that card, because it's so easy and comes with so much stuff. So I hope you like this project share. To make this box, the links will be down below. Trust me, just take your time, make it. If I can make this box, you can make this box. If I can make these cards, you can make these cards. The cards in the box, this is a scale of maybe a 2 to make, and this is a scale of maybe a 6 to make out of 10. So it's not terribly hard. So I hope you like my project share. I hope you have a blessed day. Bye, everybody.